Got this to use an older monitor with only DVI, VGA inputs with a Mac Mini without having to use all kinds of bulky adapters. Works without any problems. No complaints. Never used the DVI input for my system, but the new computer didn't have VGA out for the second monitor. Hooked this up, plugged in the monitor, fired up my new system and it worked fine, right away. Will buy from these folks again. Simple, works well, cost-effective plug and play. I was dubious that this would really work, but it does. I used this to hook the HDMI output on a Raspberry Pi 3B to an old HPS 2031 monitor on its DVI input. Everything auto-detected properly and the picture looks excellent. Works with both Raspbian Linux and Circle, Pi 1541. Also tried it with a Logic Supply industrial PC running Ubuntu Linux going from HDMI to the same HPS 2031 monitor DVI input, also works great. I have not tried it going from a DVI source to an HDMI input. So glad there is the technology for this sort of thing. I was able to dual monitor with my old screen and newer one due to this cord, so hell yeah, laughing face. Simple adapter for DVD monitor connector to HDMI port on laptop. I use 3D CAD software, and I need a large monitor. It worked on my Dell Inspiron. Just plugged it in, and voila! Stay-at-home stuff. I brought a large monitor home from work, and I needed this to make things work. It saved me gas money for the commute, and potential COVID-19 infection. I built a new computer, and it has only modern video outputs. My old monitor still works well, and I wanted it as a backup, so I bought this to connect HDMI out to DVI in on the monitor. It works. When first used there was a bit of PIX instability, which I first thought was the cable. The second time I used it this did not happen, and I believe now this was software sensing the combination. I have used other StarTech products, and they have been good. The cable is mid-thickness and a bit stiff, but usually this will not be an issue. Rock-solid quality cable. Bought a new 31 inches monitor, only had VGA and HDMI connections. My video card only have DVI. So I purchased this cable. Was skeptical that it would properly convert. I was happy to see it does, but StarTech products have been my go-to for years. Should have had no doubts. Again, a satisfied consumer. The cable seems to be well made and of good quality. Works well for connecting to an older monitor. Have not attempted to use the cable at FHD or 4 Kelvins resolutions. We have always had a good experience with this brand. Recommended. Would buy again. Amazing picture quality. Easy connectivity. Super value for the price. I could not adjust to this new normal of teaching without this product. It connected a second monitor to my laptop, and made the ease of adding my third screen, an interactive white board from Recordex, a teaching miracle. Click link in description for more reviews.